Hey guys, today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacer for the Land Rover Defender. What size wheel spacer do I need?
Do 2024 Lexus LX wheel spacers affect ride quality? Take the metal ruler straight edge and place it against the outermost part of one front ring. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. That's the thickness you can run wheel spacers to get the wheel flush to the fender. There's one thing we need to pay attention to when installing the bolt-on wheel spacers. If the thickness of the wheel spacer is less than the length of the standard stud, the wheel being used must allow for a small cavity in the wheel mounting pad. If using a wheel without a cavity, you need to shorten the standard studs or install thinner wheel spacers to let the studs won't exceed the height of the spacers. The top stud thread is smaller than the factory stud thread. This part of the stud doesn't take the tightening work of the original wheel nut, and it will not affect the normal use of the original car.
For more information about BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.